Welcome to LASA. Today we will show you the product assembly of the WH-2DCAB. Let's start by opening up the box. Step 1, we're going to be using parts 8, 9 and 1, including parts A, E, D, I and J. Let's go ahead and use part A, which will require 4, which will be inserted into the small one. Just Today we're going to be using parts J and parts D. It's going to be inserted into the ground material. Then we're going to be using parts D and parts I. And we're placing them into the inserts.
Just wanna be alone with you. Just wanna be alone with you. The same old thing that keeps me around.
Step 1 is done. Step 2, we will require parts 3, 4 and parts A. We will require 4 A screws. First we're going to start. It's going to be the smaller holes.
With you, just wanna be alone.
Thank you. Step 3 will require parts 2, 4 and parts B and C. So we insert part C first. Part number 2, when aligning. This is the back piece of the cabinet. These holes must be opposite. So when aligning, we're just going to slot them in. This is the back cabinet. These are the holes, totally opposite. This is for the front. Parts B. We're going to use them to hold them in place. Thank you. Step 4, we're going to be aligning part 3 with the main product using parts B and part C. For parts B, we're going to lock them in place. Step 5, we will be placing part 1 onto the main frame, including parts B and part C. Firstly, you can take part C into the middle holes. We're going to take part 1 and place onto the clutch. Just bear in mind, this is the back. There's a groove, that's for the back edging. This is the front. These are the handles for the door. Then we're going to be using part B. Step 6, we're going to be using 2 parts number 5, parts number 6 and 16 parts F. So let's start. Just going to place them in. It is grooved, so you're just going to sit slide. You take part number F, the screws, and in these rivets we're going to screw. As you see, for step 6, we have inserted screws. Thank you. Step 7, we require parts 8, parts 9, parts G, K and O. So firstly, we're going to take parts K and insert them into each door. There should be 2 Ks per door. Then we're going to be inserting the doors. These are spring loaded. So this way, slip one in first. You hear it click. Next up, we're going to be using parts O and parts G for the doorknobs. Just tighten a bit, not too tight. You can always adjust. Step 8, we're going to require parts N and the shelves. So, for now, parts N, they are height adjustable, so you can choose which one you want to put them in. Going to insert the shelves. steps 9 and 10 is optional. It's basically for you to mount your cover onto the wall so you don't tip over. You'll be required to use a drill. And first you're going to drill your wall. This is for inserting to the wall. You're going to insert that there. And kindly refer to our manual. Steps 9 and 10. Thank you for watching our product assembly of our WH-2DCAB. To go to our website www.lasa.africa to visit more of our product assemblies and more products. Thank you.